back to the drawing board. Ain't a question, I'm re-inspired, reacquainted with the pen, yeah, we reunited. I create the words, he just realigns them. He inscribe them on the paper so I read and rhyme them. Like Leonidas, let me re-remind ya. Carry 300 styles for any fever tyrant. Descended from Hercules, Xerxes, Persian who's yearning to hurt me but can't deter me. No mercy, no backing down now. Matter of fact, my raps deserve kowtow. I feel I'm the best, I'm thinking out loud. So how about y'all clowns bow down for the crown now? I'm surround sound, Dolby Digital, no identical, spitting writtens, flowing this pivotal. You're just a broken headphone no one can listen to. Unpredictable, unreturnable, unfixable. Getting rid of you, the equivalent to a degenerate. Inauthentic like Benedict's Connecticut indebtedness. I doubt that you are gonna catch that reference, but your intelligence don't write my sentences. I'm back from temporary leave. Needed it as therapy for me. I like my contemporary speed when I'm writing and recording, but their quality will never be on parity with me. You ain't nice as the man from McDonald with the persona of Anakin standing over his son, brandishing armor, telling Luke the truth that he's his father. In other words, I carry force like the jaws of 70 piranhas. I'm the Jeffrey Dahmer of Ramos, been at him with the rapping. Came up from out of town, now I'm knocking down Manhattan, flatten anything that seemed to go against the movement. You ain't writing my life, no true men. Cause I'm the sole author of the book, but I ain't even bother with the hook. I just played the EB beat and was not into the problem that he cooked until the words finally erupt. If you do it right, rapping is much harder than it looks, but too many don't hesitate. They just seem to see the glamorized lives of the artists who succeeded from rapping, and they think that they can replicate it. They'll get better if they're dedicated, but if the focus is on getting famous, then they should eat a bomb and detonate it. Get decimated, aptly eradicated. A disaster waiting to happen had he actually made it. And that could have happened had masses actually played it, which result in more whack rappers fastly created. So I'm here to slow the cloning down. It's over now. My microphone will show them how the vocal's supposed to sound. The golden poster child with art that's so renowned, just like a Picasso or a gospel from an apostle, analyzed inside of a Bible. Rhymes comprise what I would describe in a novel, autobiographic. I'm authoring a classic and this offering's a passage. I'm back.